Lloyd Clemente in the starting lineup throughout the season. Wala masyadong concrete. Abundo takes it from downtown, no good. Sandagon the offensive rebound, so both teams able to get on the offensive that they've had, still unbeaten. You look at their wins, and not a lot of them are blowouts. Most of them are actually close games. Of a homecoming para sa kanya tonight, playing here at the Philoel Ecoel Center. Longtime member of the San Juan Knights, ito si Alvin. Early in this game, Abra still yet to get on the score sheet before that shot. Sumang goes one-on-one against Alcala, into the lane, puts it up and in. Royce Sumang.
He saw that he had an advantage.
When he was starting in the PBA and when he was in UE.
Well, parang gusto niya ngayon yung team basketball.
Facundo gets the 2 points there for the Weavers. Abundo off to a good start. Sandagon fakes out GP Facundo and gets it to go with a...
They're just not, I think, sorry, only RV Bringas is here. But I don't see Tonton in the venue. They would not be playing in today's ballgame.
Gonzalez with a rock. Opiso, that's his shot. That's money para kay Jason Opiso.
Oh, that's money para kay Jason Opiso. You're right, Javi. This guy, every...
So Dorifa inbounds to Marquis. This is a handful para kay Jason Opiso. Let's see how the living legend of the MPBL will work this. That's a basket and one para kay Mark.
You have Justin Baltasar, you have Wilma Caloni. So kailangan mo ng mga pangtapat sa mga players na to. And those are the roles of Jesse Saitanan, Alfred Batino, and all the other guys.
Marquis, no-look pass. Fuentes to Opiso. This time on the other side of the floor. Second basket.
Out in the season, we thought that they were not going to be able to enter the playoffs. All of a sudden, nag-init itong Abra Weavers.
Batino, follow a jumper. Difficult look. Made easy first time para dito sa Quezon. Cyrus Torres, corner pocket three. That's money para kay Cyrus Torres. Seconds left. Fuentes. Oh my goodness! Near the logo! Brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the
Para kay Judel. And we saw that in that last game. 10 big points for Judel.
Oh, Sandagon getting the step on his defender and finishing inside. Has a smaller Lagrama on him. Decides to kick it out. Desiderio, top of the circle three. That's money para kay Pauls. Was his home for a season.
Yes.
Dito sa ating liga where he started his career with the San Juan Knights. Now directing traffic. What a pass! Wow. Abundo was off to a good start in the first period. Alcala kicks it out. Gabanal, he loves that spot of the floor. Bullseye para kay Gabanal.
That's why proved his driving abilities, but he shows there whenever he has that space, he's going to take it and make it.
I was a former Liga MVP right there in Gabanal. The box scores that have endeared him to Coach Eric Gonzalez and this Quezon franchise.
We also have to credit the coaching staff nitong Quezon Huskers for really giving him a lot of opportunities and a lot of touches. Itong si Simon said that.
For Mike Cañete. Sumang crosses over Alcala. No look to Cañete. One of the week.
But a quick answer by Gabanal.
Gabanal says, well, I don't care game para dito sa Quezon. A steal by the Huskers. Alcala and Opiso back down for them. And Opiso finishes the play.
Good pass coming from Mayor.
Successful so far here in the first half. Alcala puts the ball on the deck, leaves it. Sandagon gets the bounce. Another left-hand finish para kay Simon. Is now up to 20. Opiso threatening to extend it to 22, and he does. Opiso once again doing it on both ends of the... A second unit back on the floor here para sa Quezon. Torres, Minerva, that Cyrus Torres connecting. Something that maybe he wasn't expecting to play. But Cyrus Torres continuing to show his Desiderio, giving three of them right there.
One of the only...
Cannon near the elbow. Fuentes, corner pocket three. Money once again. It's Comboy against another former FEU Tamarao and Cyrus Torres. Comboy overshoots the mark. Cañete, the offensive rebound. Cañete gets it. GameX Sports, the official. Is Savvy Palanya alongside Coach Juanito Gregorio and Miss Gianna Llanes. Abundo, Gabanal, Mayor Mark Alcala, RJ Minerva, and Simon Sandagon starting here para dito sa to get the offensive rebound. Alcala, his third, and that will go. Mayor Mark out. Total from the last game, that's 9 3-pointers sa laro na to para sa Quezon Huskers. 9 out of 17.
Kwento ni Mayor Mark Alcala na being the leader of a city is actually very similar to being a leader on court. Sa pagiging isang mayor daw, natutunan niya kung paano mag-handle ng iba't ibang personalidad at ganun din dito sa Quezon Huskers. Mayor Mark shared when he does get
UP because of the career that he built playing for the UP Fighting Maroons. Mayor Alcala leaning in for that floater.
We've been talking about the improvement of Simon.
Pasok sa laro na to. LJ Gonzalez was egging him on to shoot it. Oh, Jesse Saitanan finishing underneath.
Good assist coming from Mayor Mark.
Actually, 5 na.
No, 5
Para
already.
kay Mayor Mark Alcala. Mark Yee against Rodel Gravera. He has seen multiple coverages in this game but has made sure how they do with it. Also a smaller 5 para sa kanila. Sumang barging in, leaves it for Concepcion. That's an easy look para sa kanya. Comboy goes in, finish with the left, no good. Cañete, nobody boxing him out in favor of the Weavers. Gravera, this could be big. Oh, that stops. Torres turns the corner, picks up his dribble. Minerva from the perimeter.
Everywhere. Everything is working.
Cañete, Dex, Minerva, and score. Oh, Piso lines up a three and makes it.
Nagkakatingin na the offense of the Quezon Huskers.
And it's not like he has been attempting easy shots. Huge mark. Doing things right here, right now. Not beginning with that bad shot missed by Roy Sumang. Gonzalez, nobody stopping the basketball.
So smooth.
Against Cyrus Torres, Desiderio puts it up and in. Lead down to 18.
This is still a far time now. Now Quezon's doing it, and I want, hopefully it becomes an MPBL culture of grassroots pro. Play the same way.
Roy Sumang and June Manzo. Sumang vacuuming in almost 3 defenders inside that shaded area that allowed the space that June Manzo needed. In from Cañete, Sandagon switches on to him. Sumang hops into the lane, gets caught upstairs. That's going to be a foul. Laban dito sa Quezon. August on the 24th. So, dalawa magiging home game nila sa 1 ng Agosto. 18-8 ang ating tala this quarter in favor of the Weavers. Jodel Fuentes, one of the best closers here in the league. The best closer, certainly, para dito sa Quezon Huskers. Actually, can't tell between him and LJ Gonzalez.
Oh, he flipped off the hands of Jodel Fuentes.
Gonzalez gets a step on Canu. Blocked on top. Access denied. We now enter the twilight zone. Our final 2 minutes of the game brought to you by of that fourth quarter. Or actually,
The second half.
the second half belonged to the Abra Weavers.
A good adjustment coming from Coach Yong.
And also one of the 5 players in double figures for the Huskers in this game. Our best player of this game is brought to you by Manny Pacquiao's MPBL. Our final score, 90.